Thank you so much, Cardinal Santos and RCP. Happy Nurses Week, everyone!
Ay, thank you po sa pagbigay po ng shoes. Malaki pong tulong po to sa duty namin kasi para po mas efficient po yung roaming around po namin dahil mas maganda po yung quality ng shoes.
For this year, finally, after a long tumultuous battle, we will be giving out free shoes for everyone. But more than the shoes itself, we wanted to ensure that everyone is knowledgeable of the fact that these aren't just basic shoes. These are shoes representing your journey, your hard work, and your total dedication for the company. We want to give you a good experience so you in turn can give a good experience to our patients.
Bali maganda po siya kasi everyday po namin siya magagamit.
Today, you will be shoppers who will be coming in, assisted by our gorgeous salesman and sales ladies.
Happy Nurses Week, everyone!
And then you will be given a shopping cart where you can put your new shoes inside.
Siyempre grateful kami kasi parang magsa-second year pa lang ako kay Cardinal and first time ko naka-receive.
Bawal chinelas sa ospital, ha? I hope that our patients will appreciate that we are really well dressed and really look nice even when we go inside the room to perform all our tasks.
And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the official ribbon cutting ceremony.
Thank you very much for the lovely shoes. They're quite utilitarian but still stylish. So thank you very much, Cardinal Santos, for making us feel heard and seen and appreciated. Thank you!
Super happy kami. Thank you po sa pa-shoes.
Have a great day! Happy Nurses Week!
Thank you.
Pagbubuti namin yung trabaho namin at saka extra effort na rin po sa mga pasyente. Thank you.